I'm Vicki Brown, and I teach 8th grade science. Uh, in this class, we will be covering earth science, things like astronomy, force and motion, geologic times. The course requirement sheet gives you more information. It can be found in the FAQ folder under Files. All other important information can be found there also. Things like rules, classroom procedures, online books, all of that can be found in the FAQ. Class meets in the same order each day. We no longer have the rotating schedule, so A block begins at 10 o'clock, B block begins at 10:45, C block begins at 11:35, and D block begins at 12:20. Your student will be given work to do in class, and they should have plenty of time to finish it during the class. However, if they do need extra time, I usually will allow them to finish it up at home and submit it, say, the next morning. But they do have plenty of time to get it done, usually in class. Um, each night they should be looking over their notes, kind of reviewing each night. Ask them not to wait until the last minute to study because we're doing tests a little differently this year. They're more open-ended, they're more thought questions. It's not just memorizing facts anymore, it's application. So they really need to be looking over their notes. I also provide an RTI session each afternoon from 2 o'clock to 3:45. This is an opportunity for them to come to me for extra help, to ask questions, to clarify things, to make up missed work. It's just an extra time that we allow them to do. Grades are located on PowerSchool. I believe you have access to that. If you don't, check with one of your teachers, or you can check with the office and they can give you that information. As a reminder, all honor students are on academic probation. That means that they need to maintain, fairly good grade in order to remain in the honors program. There's an online textbook. They have been given the information for that. It is also found under the FAQs on the team account. They were given a workbook when they picked up their computers, and so we will be assigning work in there also, and then they would take a picture of it and send us the completed work. For formative grades, they will have worksheets, quizzes, homework, classwork, that type of thing, and it counts 50% of their grade. Now, we have lots of those, so that will help them out. Tests, exams, projects, long-term assignments, things like WebQuest also count 50% of the grade, and they are summative. There are fewer of those than there are the formatives. All assignments are posted on Teams under the assignment tab. A lot of times I will also put it in the post just as a reminder, hey, this is when your stuff is due. I take roll at the beginning of class. As soon as they begin logging on, I'm taking roll. During class, I will call on them randomly. And, everybody responds, but if your child has not responded in an appropriate amount of time, then they will be marked absent because they're not there. So we have to, you know, mark them absent. Um, the Teams program actually keeps a log of when students log in and out. So there is a written record of when they actually log on. If you're having technology issues with your camera, with your microphone, can't send assignments, whatever, check on the school website and it will give you a number that you can call to get some help. Ms. Mazer also is our media specialist. She can also help you. I look forward so much to the day that I can see your children face to face. In the meantime, I encourage them to be patient with each other, patient with me, because I'm learning this stuff too. I love the way they have been helping each other. because if somebody has a problem, somebody will immediately jump in and say, "Hey, try this or do this." And it's just been awesome the way they help each other. They are truly being the best. They really are. Thanks for sharing them with me and have a great school year. Bye bye.